Project that SEBI is participating in Ethiopia. It's very exciting. It's a project that is led by the Ministry of Livestock in Ethiopia, and it's about controlling the young stock mortality. So they have selected some different areas in the country. They have selected different systems, pastoralist, peri-urban, and mixed crop. And they are looking at mortality in young animals, so that will be in cattle, small ruminants, and camels. And what SEBI is doing is assisting and participating in this project, and that's what it makes exciting, because it's not SEBI doing their own thing, but it's participating in the things that they were already happening in the country. That's what it makes exciting, because it's a local initiative and we are supporting them. It is very important to keep in mind what's the purpose that we have when we are collecting the data. So what we want to use the data for. So it's different, the needs of that data regarding precision and accuracy will be different. For example, if we want to obtain information to register a vaccine, when we want to do a field intervention. So the data that will need, the requirements will be different, and fit for purpose will mean different things. If we want a field intervention, many cases what we want is just the trend. We know with the type of populations that we are working, the limitations with the data we can get. We know it will not be perfect, but it will give us enough information. It will give us a trend to know if the intervention that we're doing, for example, in this case, or the income that people are getting after the intervention, if what's the trend that they are following, and if that's what we are expecting or not. So in those cases, we can be more flexible with the data. So depending on the purpose, that's what is going to guide us in that balance between precision and good enough.